Alright, first things first, we gotta tune. So I'm gonna tune by ear. I also have no fine tuners except on my E string. So I'm gonna show you how I would do that. I've got a tuner, a metronome which has an A on it, so I'm gonna use that. On this one, the Seiko, it's one click. The other click is B flat, which we don't want, so we want A. And then I'm gonna play mine. Mine's a little higher than that, so I gotta lower it. So since I don't have a fine tuner, I'm gonna grab the peg, and I have to go down, which of course is gonna be too much, and then I have to slide it up, which hopefully will get it right. That usually takes a few tries. And then if you want a little extra higher, you can go here, past the nut. It's a temporary lift. And I think I need a little more, so I'm gonna do it again. So if I can raise the volume. Get it in your head. Okay, I'm pretty happy with that A. So now I'm going to tune D with A because I've been tuning for so long that I know what D should sound like, and I want to make sure D jives well with A. So I can tell my D's a little high. It's very close. It could be fine for the general student to practice to. But I'm going to lower my D a little bit, and again, since I have no fine tuners, I'm going to use the peg. Obviously, you got to make sure you have the right one. That sounds a lot nicer together. Now I'm going to test G. This peg's a little harder to tune, so I might need to bring the violin down. We'll see. Luckily, it sounds really good together. And then finally, I'll check E, where I can use the fine tuner. So I'll get prepared by bringing my hand under, like this. And I don't use a shoulder rest, so I do kind of use my arm to lift up my violin a little bit too, if I need to. So I can tell my E's a little high compared to my A. It just sounds a little too high pitched, so I'm going to bring it down. And that sounds a lot nicer together. Okay, and I'll do some more videos on other ways to tune if you're not doing it by ear.